Hello friends, today I will give you new topic which is related to paging, but it will be solved overheads in paging scheme. There are two overheads. One is called overhead of page table and overhead of wasting page. Remember, trick to solve any problem of page table, overhead page table. First of all, some rules has given here. Number one, how you can find out total overhead for one process. Here, total overhead for one process is equal to size of its page table. It means size of page table plus page size by 2. Second formula, size of its page table equal to number of entry into page table entry size. Third, number of entry find out. Number of entry equal to number of page the process is divided. Now, number of page the process is divided equal to process size by page size. And fifth, optimal page size is the page size that minimize the total overhead. Optimal page size equal to square root 2 into process size into page table entry size. Now elaborate this all formula here. How you can find out total overhead for one process or due to one process. Formula is total overhead for one process equal to size of its page table into page size by 2. Size of its page table already given, number of entry into page table entry into page size by 2. Number of entry also given in formula number 3. Number of page the process is divided into page table entry size into page size by 2, and number of page the process is divided equal to process size by page size into page table entry size into page size by 2. These are the formula 1 to 5th formula. All formula we can implement here and you will get it total overhead for one process. In a paging scheme, virtual address space is 4 kilobyte and page table entry size is 8 byte. What should be the optimal page size? Solution: given that virtual address space, it means process size equal to 4 kilobyte and page table entry size is 8 byte. We know that according to formula, optimal page size equal to square root of 2 into process size into page table entry size. But here we have represent square root in square 1 by 2. It means 2 into 4 kilobyte into 8 byte all over power 1 by 2. 4 kilobyte is converted 2 to the power 12. 2 into 2 to the power 12 into 2 to the power 3, overall power 1 by 2. To have power 1, to have to the power 12 and to have power 3, it means all power is adding 2 to the power 16 and all over power 1 by 2 It means square root of 2 to the power 16 come out 2 to the power 8. 2 to the power 8 means 256 byte. Thus optimal page size equal to 256 byte. Answer. Question number 2. In a paging scheme, virtual address space is 16 megabyte and page table entry size is 2 byte. What should be the optimal page size? Solution. Given that virtual address space, it means process size is 16 megabyte and page table entry size is 2 byte, then we know that the formula to find out optimal page size equal to square root 2 into process size into page table entry size. 2 into process size into page table entry size all over the power 1 by half. 2 into process size has given 16 megabyte into 2 byte all over 1 by 2 square root. It means 2 into 16 megabyte it convert in 2 to the power 24 byte. It means 16 megabyte because 1 megabyte is called 2 to the power 20 into 2 byte all over power 1 by 2 half. It means 2 to the power 26 byte because 24 byte here, 1 byte here plus 1 byte here, 26 byte all over power 1 by 2. So it 2 to the power 13 byte means 8 kilobyte because 1 kilobyte is represent 2 to the power 10. So final answer is 8 kilobyte.